Good day, McVeigh. Happy Friday. Good morning, boys and girls. Okay, so our Get Smart project today, many teachers might remember this, but this is a project. Oh, it's stuck. Oh, there it goes. Okay, so this is a project on a show done by Neil, by the way. Look at the size of this. Step back. Look at all of the writing. It's a scroll. But it's a project on Mr. Rogers. Now, Mr. Rogers was a TV show, so you could turn it on the way that you would any other TV show. And so what Neil has done is given us a nonfiction piece, so it's facts about that show. So, for example, he says that Mr. Rogers starred in the children's TV show, Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood. And the show was on for more than 30 years, which is true. And his real name was Fred Rogers. He was born in 1928 Pennsylvania. And he finished college in 1951. And then he started his career. And he would, the beginning of the show started with a song about neighbors and neighborhoods. And he would say, "Won't you be my neighbor?" And anyhow, it was a show that lots of kids would like to watch. So I'm curious. I'm not sure how Neil, I don't know, maybe the show is back on again, but that was a show I certainly watched a long time ago. So good work, Neil. Brought a smile to my face. Now, Getting Smart Through Art Project, check this out. That is a beautiful drawing of a bird. And it says spring is here. And this one shows texture. So what you can do, because it's what it means showing texture, it's almost as if you can see how soft the bird is by the stroke of the color. And you can see there's some darker and lighter strokes. All right, now let's get to our Wordle. Lost my pen. All right. So many people got this. So the answer here, so this was an S. And this was an N. So was this. All right. So this was the Persian New Year. And many of you got this. Like I said, all of class 216 and so many others. Just getting another marker, see if this one works any better. So the Persian New Year. Now, we've talked a lot about different New Year celebrations around the world. And this one, for sure, is a very important one. Hundreds of millions of people, for example, in Pakistan, Afghanistan, Azerbaijan, Turkey, India, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, so a lot of countries celebrate this holiday. And it's an important day because it's also the day that marks the first day of spring. And that's part of the celebration. This year, it happens to fall during Ramadan as well. So it's an important holiday around the world. And it's something that, although we don't celebrate it, it's something we recognize here, the first day of spring being a very important time when we learn that day and night are equal when the sun is falling exactly on the equator. So the mystery number happens to be a number that is in descending order, greatest number first, followed by the other two. This number was a 3. So this year, the Persian New Year was on March 21st, the third month, 3, on the 21st day, March 21st, 321, or the way it's written here, 321. And again, so many of you got that. If you did, good job. All right, now it's time for our Mighty Kind moment of the day. We're going to get our drum roll. Da, da, da. So today's Mighty Kind Moment of the Day is a shout out to some boys and girls who made some cards for somebody special in their life that they miss. Yeah, some beautiful cards that I know made a big difference and brought a very, very big smile to the face of the person that you wrote those cards for, and you know who you are. You made those cards when you were working with Miss Tuthill. So, thank you to all the boys and girls who went the extra mile and did something kind for somebody. Anybody can. Why? Because you're a mighty mind. Not only that, a mighty kind, mighty mind. And every day, boys and girls, it's a great day to get smart and be kind to both each other and the earth. Let's have a wonderful day.